When it comes to e-commerce platforms, WooCommerce and BigCommerce are two of the most popular options available. But which one offers the better built-in features to help you scale your online store? In this video, we're going to dive into WooCommerce versus BigCommerce and break down their key features to help you decide which is the best fit for your business. Stick around to the end because I'll reveal a better alternative you might not have considered, especially if you're serious about streamlining your e-commerce experience. First, let's talk about WooCommerce. WooCommerce is an open source plugin for WordPress that gives you the ability to add e-commerce functionality to an existing website. This means that if you're already using WordPress, it's pretty easy to integrate WooCommerce. One of WooCommerce's biggest strengths is its flexibility. You can fully customize your store with tons of plugins and themes available through WordPress. However, this also means you'll need to manage your hosting, security, and maintenance on your own. Next thing to consider is BigCommerce. Unlike WooCommerce, BigCommerce is a fully hosted solution, which means everything is managed for you, from hosting to security. This makes it an excellent option for people who want an easier, hands-off experience. BigCommerce comes with many built-in features that WooCommerce lacks, such as advanced SEO tools, multi-currency support, and native integrations with popular marketplaces like Amazon and eBay. Plus, BigCommerce pricing is structured to scale, which could be great for growing businesses, but it's not the cheapest solution out there. Moving on, let's talk about ease of use. WooCommerce can be a little tricky to set up if you don't have much experience with WordPress. You'll likely need to spend some time learning the platform, especially when it comes to installing plugins, setting up payment gateways, and managing products. On the other hand, BigCommerce offers a more user-friendly interface, even for beginners. Its drag-and-drop functionality makes it easier to design your store without needing coding skills, and the setup process is relatively straightforward. The fourth thing to note is scalability. WooCommerce might be great for small to medium-sized businesses, but as your business grows, you may face some limitations in terms of speed, security, and maintenance. You'll have to invest in premium hosting and additional tools as your site expands. BigCommerce, on the other hand, is built for growth from the start. With a built-in payment gateway, robust inventory management, and easy integration with external apps, BigCommerce is a better option for businesses looking to scale quickly. Next thing, we need to discuss the cost. WooCommerce itself is free, but keep in mind you'll likely need to pay for additional themes, plugins, and hosting. If you're running a small operation, this may not be an issue, but costs can add up quickly if you need premium tools. BigCommerce is subscription-based, starting at a higher monthly fee than WooCommerce. But for the price, you get all the built-in features, and you won't have to worry about paying extra for add-ons unless you need advanced functionality. The sixth thing to consider is customer support. WooCommerce has a large community of users and a wealth of resources available online. But when it comes to direct support, you'll have to rely on third-party plugins or WordPress support. BigCommerce, however, offers 24/7 customer service with a dedicated team ready to assist you whenever you need help. Finally, let's talk about the features that set these two platforms apart. WooCommerce offers great customization options through WordPress, but it doesn't come with as many built-in features out of the box compared to BigCommerce. BigCommerce includes tools like abandoned cart recovery, customer segmentation, and detailed analytics that WooCommerce doesn't have by default. If you want these features with WooCommerce, you'll need to install third-party plugins, which could become costly and complicated. In conclusion, both WooCommerce and BigCommerce are great platforms, but they have distinct differences that make one a better choice depending on your needs. WooCommerce gives you more control and flexibility if you're willing to manage the technical aspects yourself, while BigCommerce offers a fully hosted, all-in-one solution that's perfect for those who want built-in features with less hassle. But here's the thing, after trying both of these myself, I found that there's an even better option out there. If you want a platform that combines the best of both worlds, easy setup, powerful built-in features, and excellent scalability, check out the free trial available through the first link in the description. By using our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Don't miss out on the chance to see how it can help you reach your e-commerce goals.